Email marketing and you, tips to get the best bang for your buck. Many business owners want to appeal to more potential customers, but they don't want to spend a lot of money to do it. A great way to do this is to take advantage of email marketing. Take the time to read on if you are not too familiar with this strategy. This video will help you figure it out. It is very common for people to view the internet with cell phones instead of using a full-sized computer. Since this is the case, you should make it so that the width of any email you send out is easily viewable by mobile phone. You should also make sure to do the same to your landing page. Do what you can to make your email go into your customers' inboxes. You must work to get your email to pass ISPs and not get tagged as spam messages. If they get tagged as spam messages, your recipient may never see them. Check with customers to see if they are getting your emails, or if they're no longer interested. If you want your email marketing messages to flow out across the internet to people's inboxes, consider where you are sending them from. Sent frequently from known and stable IP addresses is best. Sudden surges from new IP locations can raise suspicions and even result in blocks and blacklists from ISPs. Use words that are appropriate to the industry you are focusing on in your marketing materials. For example, if you are writing marketing materials for new technological items, use words such as new, advanced or state-of-the-art that are commonly used in that industry. Using the right words will help increase your product's appeal to your customers. The tips you just read should make it clear that email marketing is a great way to grow your customer base without spending inordinate amounts of money. With email marketing as cheap as it is, there is really no excuse for not using it. Use the tips you found here to build your own successful campaign. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.